The region R is bounded by the curve y equals to 2 sine x minus pi over 2 and the x-axis for 0 until 2 pi. So you need to show out the volume generated by this region is 2 pi square evolve 2 pi about x-axis. So firstly, we need to draw out the graph first to identify the region. So starting drawing with sine x. So sine x, as we know, it will be starting with 0. Then here will be pi over 2. Here will be pi. Here will be 3 pi over 2. Here will be ending of 2 pi. So when it's minus pi over 2, so x minus pi over 2 equals to 0. X equals to pi over 2 means you're already shifting to the right for pi over 2. So once it's shifting to the right for pi over 2, then our drawing will be until 2 pi only. So here will be our ending. So the starting here will be compound to here with the amplitude of 2. Because you can see times with 2 means amplitude of 2. So we need to find the region which is bounded by the curve and x-axis. So obviously the curve bounded by the region bounded by the curve and x-axis will be fall on here. So this is not, because this is open region, so it's not bounded. This is also not open region. They want the curve and the x-axis only. So our region is identified. Then we have to find out the volume. Formula of volume is pi, then lower limit, upper limit. So if you rotate about x-axis means you need y square dx. So we have to find out what is our y square. Since y is 2 sine x minus pi over 2. So y square, the function will become 4 sine square angle x minus pi over 2. Then we put in into our formula here where we want to find out the volume. So pi starting with lower limit, which is pi over 2 up to 3 pi over 2. For the curve, 4 sine square x minus pi over 2 dx. So to integrate this, I factorize the 4. So to integrate sine square x dx, we need to use double angle formula. We need to change it to become sine square equals to 1 over 2, 1 minus cos 2x. So to apply here, so 1 over 2 I factorize out. Integration notation still follow. To change sine square, I need 1 minus cos 2x. So double up this angle, it will be 2x minus pi. So 4 over 2, simplify, I get pi. Then we can start integrate. Integrate 1, we get x. Meanwhile, integrate cos you get positive sign. And then don't forget its angle. 2x angle is 2, pi is 0. So upper limit 2 pi over 2, lower limit pi over 2. 3 pi over 2, pi over 2. So substitute upper limit 3 pi over 2. 2 times 3 pi over 2. So 3 pi minus pi minus lower limit pi over 2 minus sine. Then 2 times this, it will be pi minus pi. So we have to show up. Finally, we can get this 2 pi square. So 3 pi minus pi, it will give you 2 pi. Sine 2 pi equals to 0. Therefore, we have only remaining 3 pi over 2 minus, then sine 0 also 0 minus pi over 2 only. Lastly, we get to show 2 pi square. So what is important here is, the first thing is the formula. The volume formula with correct limits and correct function. So this will be the first concept showing the correct formula of this volume. Then to integrate sine square, performing double angle formula. And then to integrate cos becomes sine. After that, show us how you substitute upper limit minus lower limit until you get this